Start them. The first question, practice set 4.3. First one is, what is it given? If A upon B is equal to 7 upon 3. Correct? Then find the values of the following ratios. What are the values? First one we have to find is, then find first one. What is that first one? 5A plus 3B upon 5A minus 3B. Right? So here what 5A plus 3B we have to find out. For that we will find out first what is 5A upon 3B. We know already A upon B is what? Isn't it? Yes or no? Are you solving with me or no? आप लोग में हाँ तो फिर रिस्पॉन्स देना चाहिए ना, then I will understand you are with me. Otherwise I feel I am alone solving on the board. Nobody is solving with me. So what we have to do, first step is, first of all A upon B is given. Then we have to find out what is 5A upon 5A is there and 3B is there. So these 5A and 3B we don't have. We have A upon B. So we will make it as 5A. So we will start that A upon B is equal to 7 upon 3. Therefore, 5A upon 3B will be what? How I got 5A, 3B? By multiplying by 5 in A and 3 in B. Same way I will do in the another ratio, same thing. I will multiply by 5 over here and here also. 3 here, then 3 here also. So 7 5s are kitna aega? 35. 3 3s are 9. So 5A upon 3B is 35 upon 9 I am going to get. Now this 5A upon 3B is in what form here? It is in the componendo form in the numerator and dividendo in the denominator. So what property I have to apply here? Property or the operation, what we call it as, right? We will apply which property?
I can't see the board because of sunlight.
You can't see the board. Abhi? Proper hai?
Yes, miss.
So
Yes,
which property we are going to apply now? Yes, so what we have done here, we have whatever we have done, we can just write down multiplying both the sides by 5 upon 3. Right? So what we have done here, right? Multiplying both the sides by 5 upon 3. How we got this ratio? Multiplying both the sides by 5 upon 3. And therefore we got this. Now we are going to apply what? By componendo. Which property? The last one. What was the last one? Componendo and dividendo. So both is there here, as you can see in the question. Here componendo is a that means we have to apply that property. That is the last one. The by componendo dividendo. What we are going to get? We are going to get 5A plus 3B upon 5A minus 3B. Now whatever I am doing this side, the same thing I will do on the right hand side. 35 plus 9 upon 35 minus 9. So what I will get? Everybody is able to see now? Everybody is able to see?
Yes, yes.
So what is the answer you will get? For the first one, first ratio हमको find out करना था, that was 5A plus 3B upon 5A minus 3B. So that only I got 5A plus 3B upon 5A minus 3B is equal to 35 plus 9 कितना आया? Yes? Correct? So is it 44 upon 26 everybody has got? Right? Addition 44, subtraction 26. Have you got it correctly? Right? Yes, response? कुछ response है कि नहीं? Answer?
Yes.
You have got same answer?
Yes, miss.
Now you have to reduce it. 44 upon 26 we can cancel, no? What is the cancellation? Yes, what cancellation? 22 2s are, yes, 22 2s are 44, 13 2s are 26. So the answer is 22 upon 13. which I can write it as also 22 is to 13. Correct? So you can write finally what we get is 22 is to 13 for the first one. What is the second one? This you have copied. I can rub it. This is the first part in the first question. First sub question of the main first question. Now the second question of the same question. I will rub this last, right in the beginning, starting part I am rubbing. What is the second part? Second question, sub question, 2a square plus 3b square upon 2a square minus 3b square. Now here, looking at the question, what is required, that we are going to find out. Right, just as we have initially, it was 5a, 3b, so we multiplied by 5 upon 3 on both the sides. So here what we require, here we already have a upon b is equal to 7 upon 3. Here what we require, a square, b square we require. So we will first find out a square upon b square. Then what is there with a square? 2a square. Then what is with b square? 3. So I will multiply by 2 upon 3 on both the sides. Next step. Is that clear? So what is required? Right, accordingly we are going to find out things. Isn't it easy? Yes? Yes, reply. Are you all there, my dear children?
Yes, miss.
So reply, no? Are you following what I'm saying? What is the first step I said? I don't think so you're solving. Are you all solving?
Yes, miss.
तो मैं फर्स्ट स्टेप पूछ रही हूँ, आप बोल क्यों नहीं रहे हो? फर्स्ट स्टेप क्या है?
We will take common as 2 upon 3.
मैंने अभी बताया, आपने कुछ सुना नहीं क्या? What is there in this expression? A square, b square. I didn't say any common. I said a square, b square है. और मैंने जो बताया वही मैंने पूछा कि what did I tell? Can you just tell me? What is the first step?
A square into
What a square
2
into?
and miss b square into
That means you are not listening at all. What I am saying, you are not listening only. I said a square is there, b square is there. So we have to find out first a square upon b square. Come on, find out a square upon b square. What you are getting a square upon b square? Tell me.
A upon b.
A upon b. A square b square is a upon b. We have to start with the given. हमारे पास if a upon b is equal to 7 upon 3 is
miss
there.
49 upon 9.
Yes. So a upon b जो given है, we take that given and with the help of given we find out what we need in this. What we need a square and b square first step. Then वो a square के साथ 2 है, b square के साथ 3 है. So we have to multiply by 2 upon 3. So to get 2a square and 3b square. Then we apply the operation, that is the property of, right, componendo dividendo. So first step is what? Taking square on both the sides. First step is taking square or squaring both the sides. Taking square on both sides, or you say squaring both the sides. What you'll get squaring both the sides? A square upon b square here. So here also 7 square upon 3 square. कितना है? 49 upon, what you will get? A square upon b square is equal to what? 49 upon
49 upon 9.
9. So I got a square upon b square, this value. But I don't want just a square b square. I want 2a square 3b square. So I will multiply by, next step will be what? Multiply by 2 upon 3 on both the sides. Multiply by 2 upon 3 on both sides. So what I will get? Multiplying by both sides, 2 upon 3. What will I get this side? 2a square upon 3b square. Are you all solving with me?
Yes, miss. Yes.
So आपको मैं पूछ रही हूँ what you will get, immediate answer I should get, no? Otherwise what I will feel you are not solving. 2a square upon 3b square. I have multiplied 2 upon 3 here. Now here also I have to multiply by 2 upon 3. multiply by 2 upon 3. So what I will get? 49 into 2 कितना होता है? 49 into 2. Here you have multiplied 2 upon 3. See, check the steps. 2 upon 3 यहाँ पे दिखाया है, तो multiply किया हुआ कितना आंसर आया?
98.
Yes, 9 3s are
27.
27. Now what we want, just see in the question. This second sub question में मुझे और क्या चाहिए? 2a square 3b square मिला है. What I want now next? What I want in the next step? Tell me what I will do to get that.
Miss, cancellation 98 upon 20.
No, why cancellation? What I want. See in the question. Question क्या है? What is the question?
मिस हमको स्क्वायर हटाना है.
हटाना है? अरे क्वेश्चन देखो ना, यहाँ क्वेश्चन क्या है ये देखो आप, क्या है बोलो. What is the question?
2a square plus 3b square.
Upon.
2a square minus 3b square.
So हमको ये रेशो से वैसे कैसे मिलेगा? 2a square plus 3b square upon 2a square minus 3b square. How will I get that expression? From this. By applying componendo and dividendo. Again by componendo and dividendo, that property if I apply, what will I get? Tell me. By componendo and dividendo, what property I will get? What expression will I get?
2a
By componendo and
2a
dividendo.
plus 3b square
हाँ.
upon 2a minus 3b.
हाँ, so isn't it that is the question? वही सेम एक्सप्रेशन है क्वेश्चन में कि नहीं? देखो क्वेश्चन में चेक करो, क्वेश्चन क्या है और ये एक्सप्रेशन क्या है. इज इट नॉट द सेम?
मिस सेम है.
हाँ, तो यही एक्सप्रेशन लाने के लिए हम लोग ये स्टेप्स करते हैं. सो वी हैव गॉट द सेम एक्सप्रेशन, दैट इज हाउ आई विल गेट द वैल्यू फॉर दिस एक्सप्रेशन नाउ. सो व्हाट आई डिड ओवर हियर, कंपोनेंट बाय डिविडेंडो, सेम थिंग आई हैव टू डू ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड. 98 plus 27 componendo, 98 minus 27 dividendo. So what is the value I will get? What is the value you will get? Everybody can see the board?
Yes, miss.
So what is the value you are going to get? So this is the answer I have got for the second question. What is the value? What is the ratio you got?
125 upon
125 upon 71, which is also the ratio form. How will you say? 125 is to 71 is one and the same thing. Finished? ये पूरा steps किया सबने?
Yes, miss.
हाँ, I'll grab this first part. Starting all apart. हाँ, थर्ड क्वेश्चन अभी क्या है देखो. थर्ड क्वेश्चन क्या है?
Miss a cube minus b cube upon b cube.
A cube minus b cube upon b cube is equal to question mark. ये फाइंड आउट करना है इसका वैल्यू.
Yes.
तो दैट मीन्स ये हमारे पास गिवन तो a अपॉन b है, a क्यूब नहीं है, b क्यूब नहीं है. सो व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप आई विल डू? हाँ, यहाँ पे हमको स्क्वायर चाहिए था फर्स्ट से, इसके पहले वाले सम में तो स्क्वायरिंग किया है. अभी मुझे क्यूब चाहिए, तो क्या करेंगे? सो गए क्या? This is given. We always start with the given. So what is the next step I will do? Yes, taking cube on both the sides. So what will I get if I cube both the sides? क्यूबिंग किया तो क्या हो जाएगा? a क्यूब अपॉन b क्यूब इज इक्वल टू 7 क्यूब अपॉन 3 क्यूब. व्हाट इज 7 क्यूब अपॉन 3 क्यूब? यस, 7 क्यूब कितना होता है?
144.
व्हाट?
No.
7 क्यूब. आप लोग नींद में, आर यू ऑल स्लीपिंग? हाँ, 7 क्यूब आपको मल्टीप्लाई नहीं कर सकते रफ कॉलम में. 7 7 जा 49, 49 7 जा 9 7 जा 63, 3 and 6 कैरी. यस. 4 3 जा 12 प्लस 6 कितना होता है? 49 into 7, sorry. 49 into 7, 9 into 63, 3 and 6 carry. 7 4 are 28. 28 plus 6 कितना होता है? Yes? कितना आया?
340.
बराबर. So ये रफ कॉलम में किया है मैंने. I got 343. 7 cube. What about 3 cube? 3 cube कितना है? हाँ?
27.
27. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. Yes. Now after a cube b cube what I want? a cube b cube के बाद मुझे क्या चाहिए? Again I will check in the
B
question.
cube.
No, a cube upon b cube I have got. What is the next I want? The expression. What is
B
the
cube
expression?
minus B cube.
a cube minus b cube मतलब numerator minus denominator. It is in which operation? कौन से प्रॉपर्टी में है वो?
Component.
कॉम्पोनेंटो में है. कॉम्पोनेंटो में सब्ट्रैक्शन है.
Dividendo.
डिविडेंडो. सो विच प्रॉपर्टी विल अप्लाई? डिविडेंडो प्रॉपर्टी. सो अप्लाई और यू कैन से बाय डिविडेंडो. नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या होगा? बाय डिविडेंडो. व्हाट यू विल गेट बाय डिविडेंडो? a cube minus b cube, that is numerator minus denominator upon denominator. a cube minus b cube upon b cube, that is equal to 343. जो यहाँ पे किया है वही हमको राइट हैंड साइड पे ये नंबर्स के साथ करना है. 343 minus 27, that is numerator minus denominator upon denominator 27. So what is the subtraction? What is the answer? What is the answer you will get? a cube minus b cube upon b cube is equal to, what is the subtraction answer?
316 miss.
Sure?
Yes.
Yes, upon
27.
upon 27, correct. So this is the final answer. We can reduce it. It is not possible to cancel this, no? Is it possible to cancel? कैंसिलेशन में 3 का टेबल या 9 का टेबल यूज करेंगे तो भी नहीं आएगा क्योंकि 3 9s are 27, but this is not going in 3 table also, 9 table also. So this expression or this ratio remains the in this particular form only, right? So this is the final answer. Are you understanding what we are doing? How we are applying the property? First we look in the question what we want, cube we want, square we want, what is the kind of expression. Step wise we go ahead and then we apply the property, componendo, dividendo, whatever, right? Then what is the fourth one? Tell me fourth one आप कैसे करेंगे orally? Fourth will be homework. So tell me fourth वाला homework के लिए कैसे करेंगे? हाँ?
So वो भी by componendo and dividendo है.
मैंने पूछा steps पूछा, right? What are the steps for the fourth one? What are the steps? First step, gone to sleep? First step पूछा तो no answer. Gone to sleep.
We will first multiply both the sides by 7 upon 9.
Yes, because it is what expression? 7a plus 9b. तो 7a के साथ 7 we want and b के साथ 9. So 7 upon 9 if you multiply you will get 7a upon 9b. Yes, after that next step will be, once you get 7a upon 9b,
7 multiply by 7 and 3 multiply by 9.
3? What you are saying?
7 upon
7 multiplied by 7 upon
7a upon 9b we got by multiplying by 7 upon 9. That is over. Next step. Once you got 7a upon 9b expression now. 7a upon 9b मिला है. तो what we will do with that?
is equals to means वो 7 upon 3 से multiply करना है ना.
Not 7 up. हाँ 7 upon 3 से multiply हो गया ना, फिर वही step हमने बोला. We multiply by 7 upon 9 to 7 upon 3. So क्या expression क्या value आ जाएगा?
7 upon 7a upon 9b is equal to 49 upon 27.
49 upon
27.
27. Correct. Very good. So this is the expression you have got in the first step. Then second step, what you will
By
do?
componendo dividendo.
Yes, correct. Very good. By componendo and dividendo you apply and you get the expression 7a plus 9b upon 7a minus 9b. That is
7a
equal to
plus 9b upon 7a minus 9b is equals to
49 plus 27 upon 49 minus 27.
वेरी गुड सो इजी ना आ गया सो फोर्थ वाला तो आपको फर्स्ट वाला जैसा ही करना है तो लुकिंग एंड टू दैट यू हैव सेड करेक्टली सो दैट यू आर गोइंग टू डू second question now come on write down the second main question number 2 write it down fast can I rub this
Yes, miss. Yes, miss.
second question लिखा अपने जल्दी लिखो second main question if means what is given to us we are going to take that as given and find out the values of the sub questions which are given there right so what is if मतलब given क्या है 15a square plus 4b square upon 15a square minus 4b square correct so this is in the componendo dividendo form this expression and the value is 47 upon 7 we have to find first one what is the first one a upon b so आपको ये reduce करना है a upon b form में चाहिए तो how we are going to do a upon b form में let us do that have you written the question हो गया yes so now how we are going to reduce this we are going to use the given for finding out this value of a upon b so we start with the given we write down the given once again to solve this first question sub question write down the given 15a square plus 4b square upon 15a square minus 4b square is equal to 47 upon 7. This is given to us. So what we are, this is componendo dividendo form already. So in this again, ये पूरा expression में again I will apply componendo and dividendo. Right? So by componendo and dividendo for this question, what I will get? This is the numerator, this is the denominator. So this numerator entire plus this denominator entire upon numerator minus denominator. So this is how by componendo and dividendo for this step I will get. By componendo and dividendo. What I will get? 15a square plus 4b square plus denominator. So what is my denominator? 15a square minus 4b square upon 15a square numerator में जो दिया है 4b square minus so हमें bracket में लिखेंगे numerator plus denominator numerator minus denominator क्या है मेरा denominator 15a square minus 4b square वो same thing whatever I have done here for the right hand side I will do what is that 47 numerator plus denominator 7 47 numerator minus denominator 7 सबको समझ में आ रहा है हाँ क्या समझ में आ रहा है सबको हाँ so what I have done I have taken the numerator plus denominator पूरा bracket में डाल के numerator plus denominator again numerator in the bracket minus denominator in the bracket अभी bracket I will open next step okay to solve it so 15a square यहाँ तक हुआ सबका first step हो गया
Yes, miss.
very good so open the bracket now plus 15a square minus 4b square upon 15a square plus 4b square minus, opening the bracket, so minus 15a square, and this minus into minus is plus. So plus 4b square. All of you are doing with me? Yes? पूरा मेरे साथ ही स्टेप होना चाहिए. मेरा खत्म हो गया स्टेप तो आपका भी खत्म होना चाहिए स्टेप. कंप्लीट हुआ ये वाला? Yes or no? So do it fast. Is equal to 47 plus 7 is how much?
54.
And 47 minus 7?
40.
So now after opening the bracket, what is same terms here? 15a square, 15a square. I can add this two. Whatever like terms are there, same terms I can add. 15 plus 15 is 30. A square common. Then 4b square minus 4b square कितना होगा?
0.
0. So this gets cancelled here. Same way 15a square minus 15a square
Cancel.
cancel. So that means upon will be 4b square plus 4b square. कितना हुआ 4b square plus 4b square?
8b square.
Yes, 8b square. That is equal to 54 upon 40 as it is. Now a square upon b square, how will I get? I will cross multiply. 8 I will cross multiply here, and 30 I will bring it here. So what I will get? I will just get a square upon b square. Somebody has joined so late. Ryan has joined. A square upon b square is equal to 8 has gone here, 54 into 8.
Just take a little bit down.
Yes, I will take, don't worry. 54 upon 8, and this 30 has come here, so 40 into 30. So अभी cancellation हो सकता है. 8 ones are, 8 fives are. Then 10 threes are. Then this is also threes are table. 1 threes are 3. And 8 threes are 24. 18 threes are, no? Then any other cancellation possible? 5 twos are 10. 9 twos are 18. So what is the answer? 9 in the numerator. 5 fives are 25 in the denominator. So a square upon b square, I have got what value? So I will continue here. I have spaces here, right? This side I am having space. So what I have got is a square on the left hand side is what? A square upon b square is equal to, what is the value I am getting? I am getting that side is 9 upon 25. But what I want, question देखो. अभी फिर से question देखो. Question में क्या चाहिए?
A and B.
A and B नहीं. What I want? What I want in the question?
15a square plus 4b square.
अरे क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे है, वो तो गिवन है. इफ मतलब गिवन. क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे फाइंड क्या है आगे?
A upon B.
हाँ, so how will I get from a square upon b square a upon b? By taking square root on both the sides. Yes or no? Correct? So taking square root on both the sides, what will I get? I will get what is required, a upon b. Taking square root on both sides. What is the answer? A upon b is equal to square root of 9 is 3. Square root of 25 is 5. So a upon b ka value is 3 upon 5. Everybody can see what I have written? Everybody can see what I have written?
Yes, miss.
Recording sir. A upon b is equal to? What is the answer? A upon b is equal to?
3 upon 5.
Yes. So this is the final answer we have got. Now second sub question of the same question. यही question का दूसरा question क्या दिया है? यहाँ तक complete हो गया सबका?
Yes, miss.
So I am rubbing. Now I am writing the second question. What is the second question? Read it.
7a minus 3b upon 7a plus 3b.
7a minus 3b upon 7a plus 3b. So in this a, b is there. That means a upon b I will need. Do I have a upon b for this sum? ये sum का a upon b हमने find out किया है. ये सेम क्वेश्चन चल रहा है ना, सेकंड क्वेश्चन 15
Yes.
हाँ, तो इसका a अपॉन b का वैल्यू हमने अभी निकाला ना, कितना आया?
Yes, miss.
कितना आया?
3/5. Miss 3/5.
3 upon 5. So same value we will start with because we want a upon b for this sum. So I will start with a upon b. Come on. Can I rub this? So हमें a upon b already है, तो we don't have to calculate once again. I will say a upon b. I know it is given as I have got it as 3 upon 5. So if you want, you can number this equation here. Equation number 1 करेंगे. So I will say from 1. How I got this? From 1. Have you numbered this equation 1? Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay. Okay, I can see you're trying to answer here, but your mic problem. So a upon b is 3 upon 5. We have got it from 1 here. So what about next step? Can anyone tell me next step will be what? Once I have got a upon b, what is the next step from this question? I can see what I want. What I want? a upon b मिला है, मेरे पास है. अभी आगे क्या चाहिए मुझे? Yes, anybody? आप लोग है कि नहीं जगह पे?
Yes, miss.
हाँ, सो बोलो नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या चाहिए मुझे. अभी प्रॉब्लम में देखो ये वाला फाइंड, मुझे ये फाइंड करना है. जो फाइंड करना है उसको देखना है. क्या चाहिए मुझे उसमें?
A upon b multiplied by 7/3.
Yes, I want 7 with a and 3 with b. So for that I have to multiply by 7 upon 3. Correct. So next step is multiply by 7 upon 3. Very good. Who said that? On both sides. Very good. Yes. Multiply by 7 upon 3 on both sides. So what you will get once you multiply by 7 upon 3? What you will get? Multiply by 7 upon 3. Multiply by 7 upon 3. So what I will get? (21 upon 15). Correct? Next step क्या होगा? Anybody can tell me? I got 7a upon 3b का value. अभी next step what I want to find? What I want to find?
Split a little bit on left and miss right side.
What I want to find, that you tell me. No, everything is clear.
7a minus 3b upon 7a plus 3b.
So what I will apply? What I will apply? Which property? Properties हमने पढ़े हैं ना ratios के, operations on ratios. What I want? Addition and subtraction दोनों किस में होता है?
Yes, componendo and dividend.
हाँ, so we will apply first componendo and dividendo. Then componendo will come in the numerator, but componendo here it is in the denominator. So we will do invertendo. Invert कर देंगे. पहले componendo dividendo apply करके फिर उसको invert करेंगे तो we will get this question का answer. This expression will get. Okay. So we will do first. Yes, apply. Can I rub this further part? और सबका हो गया है ना ये वाला?
Yes, miss.
हाँ, so ये पूरा रब कर रही हूँ मैं. हाँ, so what I have to apply here? Componendo and dividendo property. By componendo and dividendo, what I will get, that I will write. Come on, do it yourself. By componendo and dividendo, 7a plus 3b upon 7a minus 3b is equal to 21 plus 50 upon 21 minus
Yes, you can
50.
write by invertendo also.
Yes,
Instead of
yes, yes.
componendo and dividendo.
Yes, you can do first. क्या नहीं, कंपोनेंट टू डिविडेंड ही करना पड़ेगा ना. व्हाट यू सेड?
Yes. Miss, we don't want to write that inverted, no?
आफ्टरवर्ड्स,
Invert.
आफ्टरवर्ड्स
Yes.
इन्वर्ट ना. पहले ये स्टेप आएगा, फिर नेक्स्ट स्टेप में इन्वर्टेंडो आएगा. स्टेप वाइज वी हैव टू डू, राइट? तो व्हाट इज द आंसर यू विल गेट हियर? 7a plus 3b upon 7a minus 3b is equal to, what is the addition? Correct? This is we get. Now we will do invertendo. By invertendo, because I don't want this componendo in the numerator. देखो क्वेश्चन में 7a minus 3b न्यूमरेटर में है, तो उसके लिए मुझे इन्वर्टेंडो अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. By invertendo, I will get 7a minus 3b ऊपर and 7a plus 3b in the denominator. The same way on this side, 6 will go up and 36 down. Numerator upon denominator. So what is the answer of this particular expression which I wanted to find? Find this. So I have found the answer. What is the value for this? 6 upon 36. I can do cancellation also.
Yes.
What is
1
it?
upon-
Yes, 1 upon 6. So final answer should be actually 1 upon 6. Okay? क्या चाहिए? मालूम नहीं. 1 upon 6 is the final answer, correct? चट्टीमध्ये ते सगळं व्हिडिओमध्ये यूट्यूबवर टाकणार आहे, बनियनमध्ये छान ठेव. सांगून पण राहते सगळं. सगळं घर इकडेच आहे ना आमचं. So what about the second question? What is the second one? Second मतलब third वाला, sorry. Third वाला ना? हाँ,
minus 2a square
हाँ.
upon 12 plus 2a square.
Correct. So here what I want, again I will find out that. What I want, हमारे पास सिर्फ a upon b है. What is our a upon b? We have found in the first question only. So that only we are going to use. हाँ? क्या? You were saying something?
So miss,
A upon b is equal to 3 upon 5. We start with that. We have a upon b. What we want in our question, find क्या करना है? b square. Square square है, तो square find out करेंगे पहले. a square upon b square. First step. Second step क्या करेंगे बोलो?
squaring both the sides.
हाँ, स्क्वायरिंग बोथ द साइड्स फर्स्ट स्टेप हो गया. अभी सेकेंड स्टेप में क्या होगा? हमको ए स्क्वायर के साथ क्या चाहिए?
Dividing.
2 a square ना. So we'll multiply by 2 with a square, and b square we don't want anything, so multiply by 1 with b square. So I will get 2a square upon b square. Then I want b square in the numerator, तो उसको next step में invert endo करना पड़ेगा. So I get b square upon 2a square. And then I can apply componendo dividendo and then again invertendo. So these are the various steps you have to do. Come on, let us do the third one. थर्ड वाला करके देखो आता है क्या आपको? जल्दी से. Can I rub this? ये वाला रब करूं?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
थर्ड वाला भी आप करके स्टार्ट किया होगा ना? क्या स्टार्ट किया थर्ड वाले में? फाइंड थर्ड वन. अभी थर्ड वाला है बी स्क्वायर माइनस 2a स्क्वायर. जस्ट चेक वेदर आई एम राइटिंग द क्वेश्चन करेक्टली. बी स्क्वायर माइनस 2 स्क्वायर है ना, और ये बी स्क्वायर प्लस 2a स्क्वायर है. ये फाइंड आउट करना है. तो इसमें मुझे स्क्वायर ए स्क्वायर और बी स्क्वायर चाहिए. तो a अपॉन बी ऑलरेडी आई गॉट. व्हाट इज द वैल्यू?
3 upon 5.
फ्रॉम वेयर आई गॉट दिस?
Equation 1.
Yes, from 1. So you don't have to wonder here A upon B कहाँ से आ गया. तो immediately it will strike you if you are marking as 1. Then a square and squaring both the sides. Next step, first step will be squaring. So what I will get on squaring? Write down that. Squaring both the sides will be a square upon b square, that is equal to 9 upon 25. Correct? सबको मिला 9 upon 25?
Yes, miss.
अभी नेक्स्ट स्टेप में मैंने क्या बोला, मुझे a के साथ a स्क्वायर के साथ 2 चाहिए, 2a स्क्वायर. सो आई विल मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 upon 1 or 2 on both the sides. So when I multiply by 2 on both the sides, what will I get? Multiply by 2 on both sides. What will I get? बोलो जल्दी, आंसर क्या आया? Multiply by 2, multiply by 2. So what I will get? 2a square upon b square is equal to 18 upon 25. सबको मिला ये स्टेप? Everybody got till here? Yes or no? हाँ. So now I want b square in the numerator because it is b square minus 2a square. So b square ऊपर आएगा तो b square minus 2a square ना. So I will apply invertendo by invertendo because I want the denominator in the numerator. By invertendo I will get b square upon 2a square is equal to 25 upon 18. ठीक है? Then what I will do? Next step क्या होगा? I will continue here. Next step over here I am continuing. By componendo and dividendo. Can you all see? By componendo and dividendo. What I will get by componendo dividendo? B square plus 2a square and b square minus 2a square, that is equal to 25 plus 18 upon 25 minus 18. So what I will get? What is the value I will get? Everybody got the same answer? Can you all see? दिखाई दे रहा है आपको? हाँ?
Yes, miss.
हाँ. So what is the answer I got? आपको सेम वैल्यू मिला कि नहीं? Answer me. You got the same step till here?
Yes.
So what I want, question में देखो, question पढ़ो क्या है? Find क्या? Find what I have to find? Find
B square minus 2a square upon b. Miss invertendo करेंगे.
हाँ, because b square minus 2a square is in the denominator and I want it in the numerator, and this numerator I want in denominator. So I have to do it invertendo. So again by invertendo I will get the final answer. By invertendo. So how many times invertendo I applied?
2 times.
2 times. So ऐसे होता है, ये steps में करना है आपको. So everything step wise करेंगे तो ही आपको ये अच्छे से correctly solve कर सकते हैं. So what is the final answer? 7 upon 43 for this ratio. सबको मिला आंसर?
Yes.
तो फोर्थ वाला आप होमवर्क कर सकते हैं. फोर्थ वाला होमवर्क कर सकते हैं, चेक करो क्या करेंगे फोर्थ वाले में. फोर्थ वाले में क्या करेंगे बोलो? कैन यू टेल मी फोर्थ में क्या करना है?
मिस पहले लिखेंगे a upon b is equal to 3 upon 5
सबर ऑप्शन.
और फिर cubing both the sides.
Yes, very good. A upon b, we already got that value, so we start with that, and then what we want in that find question, cubes.
Cubing.
First is cubes. A cube, B cube है तो A cube. Cubing both the sides. Very good. Then next step. Next step.
Multiply by both two.
Yes, very good. Multiply both the sides by 2. Very good because we want 2A cube. Very good. Next step. 2A cube upon B cube मिला. फिर next step.
मिस वो इन्वर्टेंडो करेंगे कि कॉम्पोनेंडो एंड डिविडेंडो पहले करेंगे?
Invertendo because I want B cube in the numerator and then I can write B cube plus 2A cube आएगा ना. Invertendo करेंगे तो B cube ऊपर आएगा ना. तभी B cube plus 2A cube लिख सकते हैं componendo dividendo में. Yes or no? So first will be invertendo. यहाँ पे भी हमने first invertendo ही किया था. देखो by invertendo and then by componendo dividendo and then again by invertendo. So step wise ही होना चाहिए. कुछ भी step हम उल्टा पुल्टा नहीं कर मतलब last वाला step पहले नहीं कर सकते. You have to go in a proper sequence. अभी invertendo first करना है तो invertendo ही first आएगा. Correct? So invertendo से क्या मिलेगा? We will get B cube upon 2A cube. Correct?
Yes.
Next step क्या होगा?
By componendo and dividendo.
Exactly like this sum. ये इसके जैसा ही sum है. फिर से क्या आएगा आफ्टर कॉम्पोनेंडो डिविडेंडो?
मिस B cube minus सॉरी प्लस 2A cube.
हाँ वो कॉम्पोनेंडो डिविडेंडो से मिलेगा. उसके बाद
वापस इन्वर्टेंडो करेंगे.
यस बाय इन्वर्टेंडो तो फाइनल आंसर मिलेगा. बराबर समझ में आया अभी?
यस मिस.
ओके सो कैन यू डू टिल सेकेंड क्वेश्चन. थर्ड क्वेश्चन भी ट्राई कर सकते हैं. द सेम वे वी हैव टू डू. ठीक है. सो फर्स्ट सेकेंड थर्ड विल बी कंप्लीटेड. इफ यू आर डूइंग द थर्ड क्वेश्चन में एक ही क्वेश्चन फाइंड है. यू कैन ट्राई दैट. कर सकते हैं आप लोग.
मिस वी विल ट्राई.
हाँ सेम वे स्टेप्स करना है. देखो आपको थर्ड क्वेश्चन में क्या फाइंड आउट करना है. 3A स्क्वायर माइनस 7B स्क्वायर. राइट. सो पहले तो आपको A अपॉन B फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा. हाउ टू फाइंड A अपॉन B? हाउ वी फाउंड आउट A अपॉन B फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन? ये क्वेश्चन में A अपॉन B हमको कैसे मिला वो देखो. सेम वैसे ही बाय अप्लाइंग कंपोनेंडो एंड डिविडेंडो इन द गिवन एक्सप्रेशन. तो यहाँ थर्ड क्वेश्चन में गिवन क्या है? 3A प्लस 7B अपॉन 3A माइनस 7B. करेक्ट नो? सो उसमें कंपोनेंडो डिविडेंडो विल अप्लाई. विल गेट A अपॉन B. Once we get A upon B, we can what is the expression we have to find? 3A square minus 7B square. So उसमें A square B square है तो first step we'll have to find A square upon B square. Then we want 3A square 7B square. Then the next step will be 3A square upon 7B square we have to find out. Multiply by 3A upon 7 on both the sides. Right? Then again componendo dividendo. ठीक है? Then again invertendo. हो गया. So this is what we have to do in the third question. Can you do it? Just try it if you can. Okay. So ये homework है आपका. So I stop here. Anything you want to ask?
No, miss.
ठीक है. आज के लिए इतना. First 3 questions you complete. ठीक है.
Okay miss.
हाँ. So how many students are there? Who has left? Those who have joined. Right. I stop here. Okay. Goodbye. Take care.